friends, and welcome to Melissa's Mixology. You're in for a treat today. I have got the perfect cocktail for you to have while all that cooking is going on in your kitchen and you're chilling and you just want like a easy breezy drink. This one is so good. I'm not gonna lie, I've made it several times before this video. So when I saw the ingredients, again, things I'd never heard of, I thought, why not? Let me try it. And it was out of the world. I'm telling you, you're gonna really like this one. So let's start first with some ingredients. The first thing that you're going to need is some bourbon, your choice. I decided to try a local bourbon. This one is out of Michigan and it's called Coppercraft. And right here, my friends, it won double gold this year in the spirits competition. So right like the next state over, a couple hours from here, double gold Coppercraft. And look at this bottle too. I'm just kind of, maybe I can show you guys. It's very cool. I like it. It's not like any other bottle out there. So very cool. The other really interesting ingredient, you can say thank you later, okay? Just put it in the comments and say, Melissa, truly appreciate it. It is called Ancho Reyes, I think is how you say it. All right, here's the deal with this. They never said what was really in here as far as the spirit. They said it was a sugarcane spirit. In my mind, I'm thinking kind of like a rum maybe is what it is. But what they do is they steep ancho chilies in this and voila, here you have. I've never heard of this before. And here's the little clue here, friends. Excuse me. Word on the street with some mixologists, this is the secret ingredient. Now, I like spicy in my drinks. I don't really know if I like spicy. But when I had this, because I tried a little bit of it, I put it in a little cup, tasted it, delicious. Okay, it's got just that little like kick to it. Really nice. You are going to need your own syrup. This is cinnamon syrup. Now here's the deal. Make your simple syrup, equal parts water to equal parts sugar, melt it, put a cinnamon stick in it, and let it steep for a little bit. And then you have this wonderful syrup that has cinnamon. It's so holiday. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And then lemon juice. And don't make me go off. You better squeeze it yourself. Squeeze your own lemon juice. Okay, here we go. Let's make the drink. I didn't tell you what the name of it is, but it's called Whiskey Business. Like risky business, get it? Okay, so Whiskey Business. I found this adorable mug at Goodwill for $1. $1. Okay, that's it. All right, so here we go. Whiskey Business. So inside your glass, and we're just gonna build it in our rocks glass, is a half an ounce of the cinnamon syrup and a half an ounce of the lemon. Okay, so in we go. Then you're gonna need bitters, and you just wanna do a dash or two in there of bitters. And then you want 1 ounce of bourbon and 1 ounce of the Ancho Reyes liqueur. Okay, so that goes in there. Okay, give it a spin. So let's go over the ingredients again. It's lemon juice, fresh squeezed, because we don't mess around here. It is cinnamon syrup. So simple syrup with a cinnamon stick in it, simple syrup. You have the bourbon and you have the Ancho Reyes. And then all you need is an ice cube, and I like those big square ones. In you go. Give it a little stir. And oh crap, in my excitement, I totally forgot. I had a cinnamon stick for our garnish. Okay, just pretend, right? Like, oh, look at the pretty cinnamon stick. Oh, pretty. All right, so here it goes. Now, there's only an ounce of bourbon in here, so If I was to make this again, which I'm going to, I think I would double the bourbon, 2 ounces of bourbon, and then the 2 ounces of the Ancho Reyes. I don't even have to try this, but I will because I made it, and it is so stinking good. Oh my God. I cannot say enough good things about this drink. And really and truly, if you don't have this in your repertoire, your bar cabinet, go get some. I mean, I'm just imagining the possibilities. A little bit of this in like a margarita, anything you want a little heat. And I think to kick off Thanksgiving and just to have a very simple drink, I mean, you saw how easy, like the hardest thing I did was squeeze a half of a lemon. Okay, that was it. Like sweating right now over that. So make this whiskey business. You cannot go wrong for Thanksgiving. This will be a hit with all your guests or not if you are, you know, just kind of staying in this Thanksgiving. Please do me the favor and make one of these. And as you're cooking, may you all have a happy Thanksgiving. Feel free to watch these videos. You know, put them on. If you guys need a little party going on, pick a cocktail and make one. How fun would that be? I hope you all have a very happy Thanksgiving, and stay tuned because it's going to be December, and the first cocktail up is a gingerbread old fashioned, and you don't want to miss that. So make sure you click the subscribe button down below and have yourself a wonderful turkey day. Bye everyone.